donation awareness program and bike rally were organized in Bengaluru on Sunday by the Rotary BMCRI Skin Bank, the Department of Plastic Surgery at Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute, Rotary Bangalore Midtown and several biking groups to promote awareness about skin donation for burn victims. The indoor program was held at the PMSSY building auditorium of BMCRI and was attended by doctors, students, bikers, Rotary members and medical professionals. The event also saw the participation of Sarfaraz Khan, Personal Secretary to the Minister for Housing and Minorities. Medical leadership at the event was represented by BMCRI Medical Superintendent Dr. Deepak and PMSSY Special Officer Dr. Divya Prakash. Both of them extended administrative support and continuous encouragement to strengthen the initiative. Dr. Smita Segu addressed the gathering and explained the importance of skin donation, the methods involved in harvesting and processing skin, and its crucial role in treating severe burn injuries. Following the indoor session, a bike rally led by Dr. Zafar Mumtaz was flagged off from the Bangalore Medical College premises and concluded at Vidhana Sauda. The rally witnessed participation from riding groups including Harley Owners Group, Special Initiative Riders and Highway Cruisers. A press release stated that the program successfully achieved its core objective of bringing a critical medical issue into public focus and creating widespread awareness. It further noted that the participation of biking communities significantly amplified the message as their presence on the roads helped to carry the message of skin donation to the wider public. So viewers, do you think awareness programs like this can help improve public understanding of skin donation? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.